yesterday, I posted video at night. There are a lot of things that's going on. And after I finish this live video, I will do video and post it on this particular page. Now if you get one particular video, you get what happened in Imo State. Onwele, young boy, where these people slaughtered. They slaughtered this boy. What happened? As they video the guy, it's like the guy, they drive machine, the light machine. So they carry the guy, they go, they beat the guy. They are beating this guy. I did not see any weapon. Listen to me. Number one is that I'm not supporting evil. All this evil that is happening in Igbo land under the name of we're fighting for freedom, I'm not supporting evil. So I'm not for those that are supporting evil. No. But if I see anything where no day good, I will stand up to condemn it. If you see how they slaughter this innocent boy, they ask the boy, your handy, they like people where they shoot gun. Here I had this young boy. Your handy, they like people where they shoot gun. They no see gun for this guy. They beat the guy, beat him. What they did, them push the guy for ground, carry gun. Wow. They slaughter this guy. The video is on my distance now, but I cannot post this video on this Facebook, because if I post it, so who is telling me stop Oga? If you don't know what to talk, keep your mouth shut, or you come out from this page. Do you understand what I'm saying? I'm not happy for see some people saying this kind of nonsense. I'm telling you how they are slaughtering innocent people, and you are here telling me stop talking what you don't know. I'm telling you how they are slaughtering innocent people. Look, go to now. Yeah, my brothers, my sisters, please, network. And somebody called me, so the thing I caught all this video. After I finish this video, or if you want the video, I will send you send me message on WhatsApp. I will send you the full video. This boy, then carry this boy without the guy no carry weapon. The guy no carry weapon. They carry the guy. The guy tell them, now whatever I the fish, they push this guy. They flog him, tell him who is he. Only Sunu Biafra or King of Biafra, something like that. The boy tell them, now whatever I go fish. They beat this guy without investigation, and they kill this guy, shoot this guy. This guy die. Now when they cause, they tie the other person for machine, carry and they drive. And what happened in this video is that they told the other guy, somebody is there saying that Igoro. You people say Igoro is Biafra. Who tell you that we are part of Biafra? No, only 5 states wanna have. Now, if for this one security, all this security, one of the security guys are telling our brothers, are telling after they shoot the guy, then kill him, then the other guy they tell him, when I say Igoro, I don't know the place where they call Igoro. I'm suspecting that place may be Niger Delta side. You say Biafra and Igoro. Who tell you that we are part of Biafra? The only 5 states where Biafra have. Why are you protecting us? If we have no security, I don't know where the security come from, Niger Delta, and some people are there telling that guy they're slaughtered. So this can have if I bulugo. Listen to me, my brother. I'm not in support of any evil thing. Listen, I don't understand him. No, I'm not supporting evil, but my own be say killing innocent person when not do anything. That is where my anger is. I'm not in support of this kidnapping, all these butchering people. I'm not in support of this evil. But I'm against of killing innocent person. You where they talk this thing. You where they talk this thing. I not say you are a Igbo man because I believe that you are from Igbo. Now village, go Jidegu. Cause Igbo no go go Kamala how you feel. Or your brother where they for village. We no there anything. We not do anything. Then catch him. Tell him na he be member for non-government. Kill him. I go know how you will feel. If you are looking for evil people, go the place where they go catch them. But what I'm seeing in this video is wickedness. Yes. And the whole post of them should know what to do about this thing. And that guy was telling the other guy, tell him, oh no, but they don't kill the guy. Tell him, you people talk say you go to need go na biafra. Either you don't need go or you don't need go. I don't know how to pronounce that thing. You people they talk say you go to need go na biafra. Who tell you that we are part of Biafra? The Biafra is only 5 states. Idiot, they are insulting that guy. So that means this guy where the killer is from Niger Delta region. Either Akwa Ibom or I don't know. The guy is not happy for the Igbos. The guy is not from Igbo, but the guy even know they're happy with anything called Biafra or Igbo. That is a hatred, tribalism. After they kill that guy, the guy tell them now whatever I want, now whatever why they face you, I communicate and they shoot. That is the only thing, the last word where this guy talk. Then shut up the guy. Wah. They kid. Well, let go and what's he say this guy. Without seeing any evidence to show that this guy is an non-government or this guy is one of the kidnappers, anything. They no single evidence. Then slaughter this guy. If go on support this evil. If this thing happen to your brother, will you be happy? If this thing happen to your brother, will you be happy? After I finish this video now, I will do video. My mom may cover some pictures or because of Facebook, because so that Facebook will not shut my page down. I will know how to post this video. But if you want this video, send me a message on WhatsApp. I will send you the video. The boy, then see the hand of the boy. Tell this guy, your hand, be and say, your hand look like people where they shoot gum. No offer. The next thing they do, then they beat the guy, they flog him. Hey, beating him. The next thing they push him down. Carry gun, wham, tell them, Keboni Sunno. Now you people they kill our people. Carry allegation of a non-government without any single evidence, they kill that guy. Hope of them, Governor, hope of them. I'm sending this message to you. These people that you are sent Imo State, so Hana Shundo Biafra, Hana Shundo non-government, please know that all this evil that these people are committed, know that you will still get the punishment of this thing. I'm not supporting evil. Yes. But you will not use because of you are fighting for non-government. Any youth where you see, you go kill them. Now all of them are non-government. Why? And all these people, bloggers, content creators, they will not. Everybody will keep quiet. They will not even talk this thing. This is what we want. This is one of the things we need to be promoting. Post it online. And you are for watching this video. Make sure that you share this video. After I finish this video now, on with the next video may post, please make sure that you share this video. I will post this video next, but I will cut some part because of Facebook violation. Yes. As I saw that video, after video and happened, oh tell him, as I beating that guy, Njanya na help blow the guy. When I slept, I wake up either by 4 o'clock. Somebody send them video and wait for the full video. I watched the full video that then later kill the guy. Then later slaughter the guy. Listen to me. If you say they hold that guy where then they for camp bush with a gun, all this kind of evidence, I no go talk. I will just keep quiet. But what in the pain me is that this boy tell them not communicate Angela shoot. Not communicate Angela shoot. What did he tell them? Then they look the boy, tell the boy, you are one of them. Now you people they kill our security people, something like that. That your hand resemble like people where they shoot gun. No evidence. Then they shot the guy. Because the guy is Igbo, because the guy is an Igbo man. Yes, if say na Yoruba person where they see that praise, that load, they no go even kill that Yoruba. But as long as you are Igbo, they will not say you be biafra, you be IPOP members. Hope on them. All the security war they bring in Imo State. I'm not against to fight evil in Imo State, but innocent people, innocent blood is very powerful. Anything called innocent blood can do, and all these security people when they do this thing, know that all this money when they pay owner, they slaughter innocent people, know that these people when they slaughter, their blood will fight you. If they don't fight you, your children will suffer this thing when they do. All these security who are outside the Kubo, both my hopes of them, people are sending, and they will doing evil. You people will not condemn it. Know that this innocent blood where they are shedding, those blood will fight you. Hopes of them, if this blood don't fight you, your children will suffer it. Mark my word. That's how I say my own. Yes. If you don't suffer it, your children will suffer it. This security where they do this thing now, in next 20 years, 30 years, go check their family. The innocent blood, even God in heaven is against it. Sometimes God will say, you keep the innocent one. I'm against evil. I'm not in support of all this kidnapping that is going on in Igbo land. Yes, I'm supporting government to fight against this insecurity. But to slaughter innocent youth, that is a place to against. To slaughter innocent people, I'm back and against. And outside the Kubo, send this message to outside the Kubo. Outside the Kubo, you think that you have connection, that you are working with the federal government of Nigeria. You are sending some of your people slaughtering innocent Igbo youth. Outside the Kubo, listen to me. Know that the innocent blood is powerful. Innocent blood is powerful than that is the way they do. Because blood is strong. And when blood will fight, revenge, and it will fight. All these innocent youth were they killed. They never rest in peace. Their blood will still fight. If they did not fight you, your children, you see how their life will be. Mark my word. All this security in Igbo land, I don't know how much they are paying you people every month. Whether 100,000, 80,000, 200,000, they are paying you monthly salary. And you are slaughtering innocent Igbo youth, slaughtering innocent people. You think that you are free, that you are eating money, that you can logo. No, in next 30 years, I will see how your family will look like. In next 20 years, I will look how your family will look like. In next 50 years, I will look how your family will look like. Send this video to Hope Uzodimma. Send this video to Asare Dokubo. Send this video to all this security that are bringing in Igbo land. In next 50 years, in next 30 years, I will know how your family will look like. That time you will see that when God will fight against you, no juju, no occultic power, no marine power will stand when God will fight. After I finish this video, I'm going to video Aqua Golomo. I cry in the heart because this guy with machine. This guy they drive machine, they like machine. They beat the guy, beat him. Because the guy is a Igbo guy. They where up? Try for Dan. The guy tell them Aqua Milk Angela issue. They tell the guy your hand be like people they shoot gun. Them where boss answer the boy, you see. Onaka one man this way now. All the many bolande. Even today, somebody sent me a video in Enugu State. Elamufi, 6 people were slaughtered by flying herdsmen. Listen to me. Elamufi, Enugu State. There is a fire on the mountain. This one where they talked before is Imo State, yo. But I'm telling you what is happening in Enugu State. Flying herdsmen. Then don't take over Elamufi. Many people from that Elamufi are running away. Go call somebody, ask them this question why they talk. May God have mercy in Igbo land. But all these people where they terrorize this Igbo land, all these people where they kidnap people in Igbo land are doing evil. Know that God will fight against you people. All these kidnappers that are kidnapping people in Igbo land, all these Igbo people where they commit evil, kidnapping people, know that God Almighty will judge all of you for this thing that you people are doing in Igbo land. Because I'm not supporting evil. I'm not supporting evil. That is a messenger of God. I'm not supporting evil. When I see evil, I will condemn it. And hope Uzodimma Send this video to Hope Uzodinma. If you know his handle, Facebook page, tag him. Let me stop this video here. Thank you and God bless you. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagoba. Shalom.